It's the scourge of the American West. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Its skull is only full. Although it's 40 feet long, it's not the size of the animal that makes it deadly. It's the size of the mouth. The bigger the mouth, the bigger the bite. At 17 feet, this T-Rex is a teenager, less than half the size of its parents. The herd can wait. At a mere 200 pounds, it's hopeless as a hamburger for this youngster. At top speed of 30 miles an hour, a young T-Rex is one of the fastest dinosaurs around. Chasing prey for a living is a chancy business. Even carnivores like T-Rex are not always successful. Without a kill, this youngster flunked its first test as a solitary hunter. But in a family of T-Rexes is a force to be reckoned with. A male stands 12 feet tall. The female is even bigger. A veteran of the comfort zone, she bears the scars of her leg has been crippled by painful injury. She rules the roost. A young T-Rex still relies on its parents for support. From birth, a baby Anaconda titan clings to its mother for protection, a behavior passed from generation to generation. As adults, hadrosaurs cling to each other, but it's not always foolproof. The Anaconda titans have walked into a trap. The young T-Rex leaps like a bird dog flushing prey. The Anaconda titans bolt for safety. On a second youngster. There's one more surprise in store.